I am going to show you our detoxifying and hydrating mask. This is really great for all skins. It actually has green tea extract, Arnica, which is really skin soothing, helps to diffuse redness in the skin, and then also has the Kaolin clay, which helps to really sort of draw out the impurities. It looks amazing. Like the skin just, it pulls out the impurities in the skin, and it's so much easier, especially if you have like blackheads or anything. It really helps with that. So great for all skins, great for skins that break out, because it helps to really pull those impurities out. And the Kaolin clay sort of helps to with the oiliness too. So I would highly recommend this if you have, like my teens use this, because it helps their skin look better. And it also, the Arnica and green tea really help with if there's a lot of redness because of breakouts. It helps to diffuse the redness. This is a non-drying mask, so this will not tighten up or feel like it's drying on the skin. It will look patchy after a while, and that's totally fine, because that means that your skin is absorbing the mask where it needs more hydration, and where it doesn't need hydration, it leaves the mask alone. Do a little bit more right on the nose area. And I do this because that's sort of where I get mostly the clogged pores, and that really helps to draw out and pull out the impurities. And it actually has a little bit of the volcanic ash, but it's crushed. So you're not going to feel it in the same way that you would with the exfoliators, because it is so ground up so fine that you don't necessarily feel it. But the great thing is that it is helping additionally to slough away dry, dead skin on the surface. I would do this probably once a week. I tend to do it once a week. Once in a while, I miss a Sunday and life gets crazy, but most often once a week is really good, especially if your skin has been stressed, you've been up late and dehydrated, not drinking enough water. This is a really great mask to use. I love the cooling effect it has. The green tea extract obviously is antioxidant, and then your Arnica is great for redness, irritation, soothing the skin. This does have the Senna complex, which allows newer cells to the surface faster so that your skin looks healthier, looks firmer, and glows. So I'm going to let this sit for probably about another 10 minutes or so, and you can see how it's already starting to absorb the mask. Once you're ready to for removal, all you're going to do is just massage that in, and it almost starts to roll off itself, and that is totally fine. So warm towel, and just gently wipe that off. And this is going to leave the skin so smooth, like smooth to the touch, and I'm ready to go ahead and just apply my skincare for the daytime routine. Thanks you guys for joining me. Come back, see me soon. Drop a comment, let me know what you thought of the video and if it was helpful for you. And I'll be back again with some more tips and self-care routines. Bye for now.